We all live in a data-driven world with the critical facts about our customers and our prospects sitting across many internal data sources that we continue to grow every day. That's in addition to the many external data sources with critical insights we need to gather on our customers and prospects. The problem is the details like name, addresses, and postcodes of the same person or company could be written in many different ways, and not just within each system, but across all the different sources, making it difficult for us to pull all that valuable information together. We need to turn data into information in order to compete in the race to keep our customers and win new prospects. We need information to clearly define our addressable markets and understand what coverage of those markets we have. We need information to tell us if some of the customers we're selling to are parts of larger organizations, so we can see if there are new subsidiaries we can go after. We need information to help us align our local sales team by the country opportunity and the global sales team by the global opportunity. We need information to help us calculate the size of the opportunity by customer and prospect and what our share of wallet is so that we can segment our customers and our prospects and develop the right account-based sales and marketing strategies. We need the ability to turn data into information using our internal data sources, our external data sources, and being able to connect them regardless of the many different ways people names, company types, or addresses could be written, no matter what word order or abbreviations are used. Match2Lists is the fastest, most accurate, and easiest way to pull information together from different data sources. We have developed some of the most advanced data matching algorithms that will find some of the most elusive matches to tie related data together. We've implemented these algorithms on the fastest in-memory cloud computing engine so that it runs extremely fast, even on very large datasets. It can match your data to 200 million records in under 30 seconds, all in the cloud. Data matching is not just science, it's also an art. So 2 brains are better than 1. There's the Match2List algorithms, but there's also your knowledge of your data sources and where they come from, so we've designed a very intuitive visual interface for both to work together. We call it the Match Visualizer. It allows you to apply your match settings in seconds, so you can run different match configurations to increase the overall match results, then assess the match quality in minutes for the different score bands, and then approve and download the match results that have passed your quality assessment that you've done in a few minutes. With Match2Lists, you can match, merge, dedupe, or enrich your data with Dun & Bradstreet information in minutes. You do this in 5 simple steps. Upload your datasets, select which type of project you want to run, allow some time for your project to process, run and review your matches, and then download the results. That's it. Now, let's see these 5 steps in action. Step 1 is to upload your data into your lists or data library, and you can upload any data that you want to work on: your CRM data, your subscriber data, your reference data like Forbes or Fortune, your partner datasets, or your contact lists. For every dataset that you upload, you need to describe the fields to match the lists from a drop-down menu of field types. Some of them you will need to manually select, but a lot of them will be auto-detected based on the field names. Now to step 2, where you need to select which type of project you want to run. Step 3 is where Match2Lists is going to take a few minutes to run the advanced data and word analytics that's going to prepare the matching for high accuracy. It doesn't take very long, and once the project has been completed, you can click on any of the projects to start using the Match Visualizer and start configuring the matches and reviewing the results. Step 4 is where you use the Match Visualizer on any of the projects that have finished processing. This is your Match Visualizer, and the objective is to maximize the match rate between your source list and your match list. So let's create a match setting with the fields we want to use for the matching, like company name, trading name, address, postcode, telephone number, and let's set the similarity strengths across each of the different fields we're using here. When you're ready, click the Run button, which is going to run the matches in under 30 seconds, even if it's millions of records. In the chart below, you can see the number of matches by the different score bands. Click each of the score bands so that you can see the match results for that score band, and make a quick visual assessment of how good the quality of the matches are. See how far down the score bands you can go where the match results look good, and then set a threshold to approve that score band and above, and in a few clicks, in this example, we've approved 56% of the data. Now, let's increase the overall match results by configuring additional match settings with different fields and strictness levels. Running those matches, going through the score bands, and assessing the quality of the additional results, making sure we're happy with it, and then, in a few minutes, we've increased the overall match results, in this case, to 91%. When you're happy with the overall results, you're ready to download them, and when you download your file, you design your output file exactly the way you want it to be. You select the fields that you need from the source list and the fields that you need from the match list, and your output file will have the exact columns that are required from the project. That's it, it's all done. Now you have your CSV file. You can take it and upload it into your CRM application or your data visualization application, your data warehouse, or whatever next step in your data workflow. No technical skills required, so anyone can use it on demand at any time. If you have high volume or ongoing data matching requirements, or if you're a data provider and you'd like us to build a match to your data solution, we have the workflow solutions for you. We'll work with you to design a set and forget workflow solution that will process the match requests of your internal or external customers and turn them around automatically, in addition to allowing them the self-serve access to the match to your data solution. Match2Lists is the fastest, the most accurate, and the easiest to use data matching solution. Get started today with your free trial or contact us to discuss your requirements in more detail.